I'm Dick.
And I'm Hope.
Today we're going to unbox some roses.
David Austin roses.
That's right, not just any roses. These are cream of the crop. These are the top roses in the world. We have a lot.
You got me a lot for my birthday or Valentine's?
I think Valentine's Day.
Yeah. So he got me a ton, and then for some reason I got back on the site.
Yeah, she's like, I'm going to outdo your Valentine's Day gift.
No.
So we're going to unbox them and open them up for you. From
Yeah.
you.
Oh, you know, we should say that these sat here a while.
Yeah, because I just got back from New Jersey not too long ago. They've been less than a week, but close to a week.
But we looked up a story on David Austin's Instagram, which said it's fine to leave them for 7 to 10 days. So we should be fine.
We're still in that zone.
Yeah.
So we're going to open them.
This one first, right?
Yeah. I like that they're going to Dick and Hope's Magical Rainbow Garden. That's where the address is.
Oh, first off, you can tell that they're humid in here. There's humidity. Oh, green.
Wow, and they're green and healthy. Okay, so I'm going to bring the bag up. See how humid they are, and they look big. I'm happy already.
Yeah, I'm really happy already too. Oh man, they're growing.
Woo! Glad we opened them today. All right, so.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Let's just get right to it. Let's get our first one. Okay. This is the Munstead Wood. Oh,
That's
this is the one that I like.
Want.
This is like a dark red burgundy color. It's beautiful. The flowers are beautiful. I'm really excited about this. So, this little wood's broken, but I'm sure it'll be okay. I'm not going to touch it. So, anyway, look how big this is.
And this is a shrub rose.
This is a shrub rose, yeah. This is the Munstead Wood. We have some growth on it. Oh, this is just beautiful.
Did you see this red part coming out? This new
growth?
growth?
Right, and here's the tag. Tells you what it is, and then the description on the back. So, yeah, and we have to soak these in water for what?
At least 2 hours.
Next one.
Should I pull it out?
Yeah.
I'm excited about this one. This is the Graham Thomas.
What color is the Graham Thomas?
It's like a golden sunny yellow, and it's a climber. From what I remember, it's a really tall climber.
Oh yeah, that's right. I think I recall it now. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm excited about them all.
This one's going to be so great.
Once again, look how nice they have come, and we're like right at the cusp of them staying in the box tool.
I'm not worried at all now.
Not at all. They're still healthy. These are more moist and in better shape than the ones you'd buy from the store usually, because they sit there in that dry soil and nobody takes care of them. The soil's like bagged up and tied.
Yeah. Oh, James Galway is the pink one. You ordered me one,
okay.
And then I ordered another one.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Okay. So we have two.
Yeah.
James Galways.
Yeah.
This is a climber as well.
It's a climber, and it's a light pink on the outside, very, very pale pink, and on the inside a little bit deeper pink. I think all their roses are the same price, $30 each, which isn't bad for the best roses in the world.
The last one is Tottering by Gently. This is one of her favorites.
Yeah.
Want to describe it?
Yeah. If you're familiar with yellow buttercups that grow in a field, the roses on this look like this. It's a single petal, butter yellow, just beautiful, wild looking, like something you'd see out in the woods.
Yeah, they're very wild. I think the closest thing I've seen to them is when we went to the beach and we saw
actual wild yellow roses,
yeah.
And they were singles. Yeah.
All right, so now we're on to the next one. This is the big shipment.
We might need another bucket of water.
You might need another bucket. Wow.
This is a lot.
I'm just going to hold this up to the camera. Just look at this.
Hey, did you step on my plant?
Was at the end, not on your plants. Edit that out.
Not editing that out. Wow.
Oh, look at this root.
Oh, there they go.
This is the Golden Celebration.
I don't remember what that one looks like.
Golden Celebration.
Okay, yeah, it's a climber. It's a shrub on here, or as a climber. So it's either or.
Maybe you can pick it. Well, I guess all climbers you can kind of pick, right?
Maybe.
This is the Claire Austin.
I didn't know I ordered 2 Claire Austins.
Yeah.
I remember why. It's because they're kind of a whitish. They're not completely white, but they're kind of they have a white look to them. And I wanted to make a wedding arch.
Next is the Benjamin Britten.
That's like a pink red. I think that That's not the one I got for you in mind, though. I don't
It says
think.
it has a fruity fragrance, 4 by 3 feet or 8 to 10 feet as a climber. And this is Lady of Shallot.
I have to tell the truth about why I got this one, because I'm a big fan of Anne of Green Gables, and Anne walks around in this dreamy days quoting
Lady of Shallot.
and so I really wanted to get this. It's beautiful, but also because of Anne. So
It's pronounced Shallot.
she says Shallot. I don't know.
Oh.
It's a coral, a very light but coral and warm colored rose.
This is Tess of de Ubervilles. I think that's what you got
That's
me.
the one I got you.
Gorgeous large crimson blooms produce freely. Old rose fragrance, superb short climbers. This is like a really old, pretty red rose, right?
Yeah.
Like a classic
I
myself.
think that's the one that I thought you told me you wanted,
Yeah.
so that's what I got
Hope
you.
isn't too fond of red roses.
I'll probably love it.
Sure.
It'll be beautiful.
Be a little broken
Yeah.
root on this one.
But you know,
It
it's
should
gonna
be
be
a
fun.
It should be fine. There's so many others.
Bathsheba, that one's
Bathsheba.
beautiful. Yeah, that one is,
Apricot.
yeah, like kind of almost white on the outside, deep pinky apricot in the middle.
It's a climber
So
up to 10
pretty.
feet.
It's a climber too.
We should get like a 10-foot fence and just have a bunch started out.
All roses.
This is Roald
Same.
Dahl, big, pretty flowers. And the flowers are really tight. Maybe it's the photo they showed, but they seem very tight.
It's kind of a yellow with
It's like
some
a
golden
peach
coral.
yellow. The last one, Lady Emma Hamilton, tangerine yellow color.
Oh yeah, that one's a really deep tangerine outside with more golden inside. Very pretty.
Maybe next year we should give away some David Austin roses.
We should give away a David Austin rose next year.
should, yeah.
Let's just say that we're going to do that.
Our favorite one from this year, we'll give them on.
Yeah.
Give it away
Yeah.
next year.
Okay. So, hope to see you around in the next video.
All right, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.